Hi there, my name is Jackie Leibowitz and I'm with the Water Resources Program at IFAS Extension, Sarasota County. Today I'm going to show you how to find and fix toilet leaks.
So a leaky toilet can waste up to 200 gallons per day. That's almost enough water to fill 5 bathtubs. And if you didn't fix your toilet, all that water would fill up an entire swimming pool in just 6 months. You can usually tell your toilet is leaking by listening for that running water sound when the toilet hasn't been flushed recently. For an easy way to visually confirm that your toilet is leaking, remove the lid from your toilet tank and drop in a dye tablet or a few drops of food coloring. Wait 30 minutes without using the toilet, and then check the bowl. If you see color, that means you've got yourself a leak. Oftentimes the problem is a faulty flapper. Thankfully, you can get replacement flappers at a pretty affordable price. Most flappers that are sold at your local home improvement store are universal, meaning that they fit a wide range of toilet models. That said, older toilets tend to use 2-inch flappers, while more modern toilets typically use 3 to 4-inch flappers. If you're not sure which to get, you can use a ruler to take a quick measurement across the diameter of your current flapper. Once you have your new flapper, turn off the water flow to your toilet by turning the valve behind your toilet clockwise. Flush the toilet to remove the water in the tank. Remove your current flapper by taking the rubber handles off of the pegs on both sides of the flush valve and disconnecting the chain from the flush lever. If your replacement flapper looks like this one and has a circle in the middle of the handles, you'll want to push that over the flush valve first. Make sure your refill tube is out of the way. Then, connect those handles to the pegs on the side of your flush valve and connect the chain to your flush lever. Put the refill tube back in its place if you had to remove it. Do a quick test to see if it moves when you press your handle down to flush. You can readjust the chain as needed to make sure the seal is nice and tight. If everything looks right, you can go ahead and turn your water back on and check for that running water sound after your tank fills back up. If it's still there, you may need to replace the flush valve or have a professional come take a look at your plumbing. Okay, so to summarize, the first thing you want to do is turn off the water flow to your toilet by turning the valve behind your toilet clockwise. Then go ahead and flush the water out of your tank until it's empty. Then remove the old flapper by taking it off the pegs on both sides of the flush valve and disconnecting the chain. Measure your old flapper to make sure your new flapper is the same size. Then take your replacement flapper and connect it to the pegs on both sides of the flush valve and reconnect the chain to the flush lever. Go ahead and test the seal by pressing down on the handle. You can readjust the connection to the chain as you need to. If everything looks good, go ahead and turn on your water flow by turning the valve behind your toilet counterclockwise. Then wait until the water fills back up to do a final flush test. Congratulations, you did it! If you want to view these steps online, go ahead and scan the QR code on the screen. Looking for more ways to save water? Consider adding a toilet tank displacement device to your toilet tank. You could save a half a gallon of water with each flush, or about 900 gallons per year. Thanks for tuning in, and check out the other videos in our Save the Drop series for more ways to conserve our freshwater resource.